time to play Family Feud. Give it up for Steve Harvey. Welcome to Biology Family Feud. On the left, all the way from Phoenix, Arizona, it's the Jelly family. And on my right, from Salt Lake City, Utah, it's the Baker family. Alright, give me Kelly and give me Kendall. Only one answer on the board. Name this taxa. Kendall.
Holothurians.
Kelly.
Achurians.
Jordan, name this organism.
Is it Nemertines?
Survey says. Alright, Jelly family, this is your last guess, or the Baker family has a chance to steal. Look carefully at this picture. Serapho, name this organism.
I'm gonna say Sipuncula.
Don't know where you got that from, but Sipuncula.
The phylogenetic trees we produce show Sipuncula is closely related to Mollusca and Annelida, but these differ from published trees since they are based on our research in lab.
Give me Serapho and give me Jordan. Top 6 answers on the board. Name different characteristics of a peanut worm. Jordan.
Pink and flat.
Pink and flat. Kieran.
What's up, fella?
Name a characteristic of a peanut worm.
They're wrinkly.
Good answer.
Kendall, be careful with this answer because the Jelly family has a chance to steal. Name a characteristic of the peanut worm.
Gonna have to say segmented body.
Good answer.
Right answer, we love it.
Kelly, name a characteristic of the peanut worm.
We're gonna go with they have a nerve ring.
Anus in the middle of the body, unsegmented, and a 5 to 10 centimeter long body.
The way that Sipuncula reproduce varies on the type of species. One mode of reproduction is asexual budding, where the body is split and a new body is generated. The most common form of reproduction in Sipuncula is where the egg and sperm are released into the colon, collected by kidney-like organs, and expelled into the water, where fertilization occurs outside the body. Usually, Sipuncula develop from eggs directly into miniature versions of mature Sipuncula.
Regarding life history, since Sipuncula are not well researched, not much is known about its life history. The fossil record is sparse, but there have been some reports of fossils of the Sipuncula dating back to the Cambrian period, which is around 55.6 million years ago. It is believed they are from this period because fossils of the genera Archaeogolfingia and Cambriosipunculus are not drastically different from members of the Sipuncula living today. Because Sipuncula are not very well known, they are estimated to have between 150 to 300 species and are known as protozoans. The most common species are Golfingia vulgaris, which have scattered hooks at distal ends of their introvert, the Phascolian strombus, which has spine-like hooks on the anterior end of their introvert, and the Nephozoma confusum, which has scattered thick bent hooks on the introvert.
Uniquely, Sipuncula were very plentiful in Singapore once, so they were collected and fed to ducks.
Give me Kelly and Kendall. Name the different types of food sources of a Sipuncula. Kendall.
Edible parts from the sediment.
Edible parts from the sediment.
Yes.
Jordan, name a type of food that a Sipuncula would eat.
Microalgae.
Good answer. Good answer.
Great answer.
Kieran,
Sorry.
name a type of food that a Sipuncula would eat.
I'm gonna go with plants.
Plants.
Good answer. Good answer.
Kendall, you have to be careful with this answer because the Jelly family will have a chance to steal. What is a different food source for the Sipuncula?
I'm gonna go with detritus.
Detritus.
Woo!
Alright, Jordan.
Oh, man.
Last shot. Name one more source for a Sipuncula.
I'm gonna have to say fish.
Fish. Did she really just say fish?
Yes. Fish.
Kelly, Name a possible food source for a Sipuncula.
Protista.
Protista!
Good answer, Kelly.
Yeah, Cal.
Sipuncula use their tentacles, which contain cilia, to either draw their food in, or they withdraw their introvert into their trunk to engulf their entire prey. They can also stay hidden from predators by stretching out their introverts when gathering food. Sipuncula use introverted hooks and jerk their body and muscles to pull their bodies forward and move around rather than swim.
Sipuncula's bodies are separated into two parts. First, the introvert, a long tube on the anterior end of the worm, contains the mouth and is surrounded by several tentacles. The second part to the peanut's worm body is the trunk, which is larger in size according to width and is located near the posterior end of the worm. Sipuncula are located worldwide and live in marine environments at all depths, but are usually found in deep water within sediments where they can bury their way into the ground. Some species even live in shells and coral tubes to stay hidden.
That's it for this episode of Biology Family Feud.